Welcome to Kaumudi Global. This is Adira AR joining you. China has come up with strong allegations against the United States, stating they had a significant role behind the army helicopter crash in southern India that turned fatal for 13 people, including the Chief of Defence Staff, General Bipin Rawat. The tweet from the Chinese media Global Times was in the context of the US stand on the Russia-India arms deal. It states the United States had expressed grave concern over India's purchase of the S-400 missile from Russia to strengthen its defense capabilities as a background to this. The Global Times allegation was based on a tweet by author and strategist Brahma Chellaney. The tweet goes this way. General Rawat's death has an eerie parallel with the helicopter crash in early 2020 that killed Taiwan's Chief of General Staff, General Che Yi-ming, and 7 others, including 2 major generals. 8 people were killed that day, including 2 major generals and Taiwan's Chief of General Staff, Chen Yi-ming. Chellaney's tweet stating that each helicopter crash eliminated a key figure in the defense against People's Republic of China's aggression spurred the new allegation. Chellaney was referring to the context of the Indo-China border conflict. However, Global Times alleged that Chellaney's words indicate the role of the United States behind the helicopter crash. This was in contradiction to Chellaney's words that referred to China. In 2018, India signed a $5.5 billion agreement with Russia to buy 5 units of the S-400. Then, the US expressed concern over India's move to buy the S-400 Triumph missile system from Russia as well. The United States usually imposes sanctions on countries that go with direct arms deals from Russia under the Countering America's Adversaries Through Sanction Act. The then US President Donald Trump had warned that India would face action for buying S-400 missiles as well. Deputy Secretary Wendy Sherman also said at the time that any country's decision to use the S-400 was dangerous. The US had also imposed sanctions on Turkey for buying an S-400 earlier, which further tends to support the allegation at present. In January 2020, Taiwan's military chief General Che Yi-ming and 7 of his entourage died in a helicopter crash. As they were traveling near Taipei, their UH-60M Black Hawk helicopter crashed, killing them. He was planning to visit the troops in the northeastern part of Ilan. The accident took place after the chopper hit a mountain range. Chellaney's tweet pointed at this. This incident sparked a heated debate in Taiwan as they were preparing for the election. There were widespread discussions saying the crash was not because of bad weather. Now here, 13 people, including the Combined Defense Chief, died in an accident in Coonoor. The accident took place at Kateri in Coonoor in the Nilgiris on their way to Wellington Cantonment near Ooty from Sulur Air Base in Coimbatore. In addition to Bipin Rawat, his wife Madhulika Rawat and Brigadier L.S. Lidder, Lieutenant Colonel H. Singh, Wing Commander P.S. Chauhan, Squadron Leader K. Singh, JWO Das, JWO Pradeep A., Halwinder Sarpal, Naik Gursevak Singh, Naik Jitendra, Lance Naik Vivek Kumar, Lance Naik B. Sai Teja were in the copter. But Chellaney made it clear that the Chinese media had distorted his words. He tweeted that his tweet had been misused and that it was pointing to certain people's depraved mindsets. Meanwhile, at the last public event, Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat warned of a possible biological war. He was speaking at the BIMSTEC country's disaster management program. The Chinese military protested his recent public comments that China was the biggest security threat for India. The ceremony was attended by military personnel from Bangladesh, Myanmar, Nepal, Thailand, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, and India. It started with the example of the COVID pandemic that the world was battling against. The speech that started with a method of combating the epidemic by sharing vaccines and immunization programs finally culminated in a discussion on biological warfare. The armed forces must be prepared to face any disaster. The results would be greater if there was cooperation among forces, the general added in his last public speech. General Bipin Rawat has formed the theatre command and proved it right. General's unprecedented death comes amid plans to give a new face to the Indian force. He had initiated a plan to change the colonial customs and mold the army indigenously. The CDS chief undertook a number of responsibilities, including radical changes in the armed forces, new plans for arms procurement, coordination of the army for disaster relief, enhancement of international cooperation, coordination of strategic military operations, and step to build trust and confidence among ordinary soldiers and bring the new generation closer to the army. The central government benefited from the presence of an army officer like General Bipin Rawat, who enthusiastically involved himself in advancing such activities. Rawat also paid special attention to the joint training of the army. For the first time in history, a naval exercise was conducted in Kupwara in Jammu and Kashmir, as per the recent plan of General Rawat. The military has also moved towards innovating training methods to deal with new challenges on the Pak-India border. The demise of Bipin Rawat is a setback to such moves, at least for the time being. General Rawat was the chief of the 1.3 million strong army from 2017 to 2019 before his elevation as the country's first chief of defense staff. The man who said adversaries must be afraid of you and at the same time your people must be afraid of you, further stating we are a friendly army, has left forever. Coming from a military family, he joined the army as a second lieutenant in 1978 to reach the highest position. Now it is to be seen the name that would replace Bipin Rawat to become the new Chief of Combined Defence Staff, whether that will be the three current chiefs of Army, Navy and Air Force or retired senior officials.